Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the Location Finder. It's a favorite search of ours around here at Maptive. Location Finder can be found on the right-hand side of the map. This gives you the ability to search your current location. You'll need location services turned on for your browser. It may ask you, is it okay for Maptive to find you? Say yes if this is what you're looking for. You can also type in any address at all, a city and state, or even a zip code. Now, this gives you the ability to change the number of locations it shows based on that search. So generally we default at 10, but you have the ability to make that 5 or 3 or 30 or whatever makes the most sense for your search. Clicking Find Now then zooms you in directly into that location. Because I chose 30, it's zoomed out pretty far. If I had chosen 5, I would have been much closer. And this gives you some of the information on each of those locations from the closest moving out to the furthest. If you click the 3 buttons on the right side of any of those locations, you'll be able to zoom to that location, get directions to that location from the zip code that you searched, or email the navigation link to your mobile, which is basically going to send the address in a link format to your email, where you can then take it into your mobile GPS. Once you're done with the search, you can click Location Finder again to turn it off, and then click once more to search someplace else. That's how the Location Finder works. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.